Reality check, man, from here the voice, you know. You know, it's a aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, without any further ado, we see an interview where they go around with Asafa Powell. Well, Asafa Powell come like, he might get some backlash from the Jamaican people, so him kind of out on a little damage control. So we go jump over there and listen to the clip, and then after we just dissect it. See?
All of Jamaica right now is they're taking a step back and wondering if they're a part of everything. You know what I mean? When I say
you don't generalize.
Yeah, well, I mean, you know, I don't. We always say Jamaican people. Us Jamaicans, that's how you,
that's the lingo.
That doesn't mean all Jamaica.
All right.
You know, when I say athletes, the young athletes, I'm not talking about all the young athletes.
Right.
You know what I mean? So if you want to put yourself in the house, you know,
in that category, right?
And if it's doing it too, you are a part of it.
Yeah, man, somebody dissect it you know, and make it make some sense. Yeah, man, because the man them come out the other day and when I say boy that interview they shouldn't go public. You know what I mean? And me I say boy, you can't use 2 bad apple and destroy the whole tree. So 2 of the apple them on the tree no good and you go chop down the tree. So what I mean? No, you have to differentiate the thing. So let me bring up the people them to speed. Asafa words in that interview. See, he said, I don't know what's wrong with the Jamaican people. See, I get that a lot from way back when people like they look to you. If you can say, yeah man, give him a thump off or a heel. You see what I mean? So he goes on and he say, me no know uno. The man say, me no know uno. See, me no business about uno. That's what he says. I don't know you guys from Adams. So why should I take the time out to come over and pump off a fist or take the time out to say hi or hello? Right? No, man. He goes on and he says, the Jamaica people them no respect us. Then try to categorize and they try to put us in the same circle with the regular people them. This is it. This is what I don't like with the Jamaican people. Right? They don't respect us. They try to categorize and they also tried to put us in the same circle with the regular people. He goes on. He says, come on, man. Come on, man. We are superstars. Right? Not social media influencer. Right? We are superstars. Not social media influencers. Right? He goes on and he says, we are superstar. We are celebrities. We have talent. And we go out on the track. He says, we go to the Olympic Games. We do whatever we have to do. We represent the country. But don't try to put us in the same basket with all the regular other people. He says, we go to the Olympic Games. We do what we have to do. We represent the country. But don't try to put us in the same basket with all the other regular people. That's what he was saying, right? Elaine Thompson replied to that. It was that, and they do that a lot. But I don't pay them any mind because I know that's who they are. That was Elaine Thompson's reply, you know. And they do that a lot. But I don't pay them any mind because I know that's who they are. So what? The host who was hosting it says, she replied and said, because I am also in that same token. If you did go around and announce your presence, they would also say that you are extra or hype. Right? Asafa continue and he says, that's the thing I don't like about Jamaican. They don't understand how privileged they are to even have us living in Jamaica. Who would they get to brag about and approach, even just to walk up to and take a picture? The ungratefulness is just real out there, right? Elaine goes on and she says, Elaine goes on and she says, I don't really have a problem with the kids. The kids, they are more genuine than the older folks. She said, I don't know if the older folks think that we are better than them or so. Asafa words was that no, they think that they think that they are privileged. What I'm saying to Mr. Powell and Elaine, remember it was these same people, right, who was always on your bandwagon, patriot dieted to you guys. Then come out from every nooks and cranny, from under every rock stone. Then knock pot cover till their hand tired. Then rub greater. Then blow guguzela. Then run, then dance in the street. No champion leagues, no diamond league and golden league, no miss them. The Olympic no miss them. The world champion no miss them. The pen relay no miss them. The Gibson no miss them. Not even to mention the boys and girls championship in Kingston. These were the same supporters who support you guys. So when you come around now and you categorize, don't put us in the same basket with those people. Them are nothing again. They are underprivileged. Right? The Jamaican people don't respect us and trying to put us in the same cycle with the regular people. Brother, them statements don't sound good. And then you go on and you go say, boy, the people them should have privilege. Eh? They don't understand how privileged they are to even have us live in Jamaica. Now, if you were talking about Mark Zuckerberg, owner of Facebook, we're talking about Jeff Bezos, owner of Amazon, we're talking about Elon Musk, owner of Tesla. We are talking about Bill Gates, Microsoft. Now, if those people, one of those giants, would say they're gonna leave the US should worry, because they're gonna take billions of dollars with them, and also they're gonna take thousands, hundreds of thousands of jobs with them also. But if you, Asafa and Elaine, should decide to leave Jamaica, you just go take your money and gone. Jamaica don't benefit nothing from Uno right now. It's not like Uno have factory down there where the country they benefit from that. No, remember, track and field, it's personal. So you go out there, you make your money, that's your money. The government never pay we, as the citizens, if you come out, they come make nice and cheer on, But it's our generosity, right? Our patriotism, our dieted to the sports. And we love our athletes. We come out there and we support and cheer on. Remember when we did the cheer on, corporate Jamaica never soon. Remember when we come out there and the cheer on, brother, the business community never soon. It was we, the little people, giving you guys our support in the national stadium. Right? But at times, people have to use this. Some people only can add value to themselves. You understand? By buying, expensive cars. Where you choose to live now. You understand? Gated community. The friends them what you associate with. You understand? You think that those are the things that bring value to your life and make you feel, say, boy, reach in life now, and you don't need the little people them down here so anymore. The little people them brethren what they will do all on life. When corporate Jamaica no know, when the elites of Jamaica no know, it was those same little supporters, brethren. You understand? So I know dead them the back and they run down, but sometimes, brethren, you have a thing in gratitude where you show it back to the people. And as I said, you cannot take two bad apples and go throw out every apple in a Stop and Shop. You can't take 2 bad apple and go throw out every apple in a BJ's. You can't take 2 bad apple and go throw out every bad apple, every apple in a Sam's. You can't take 2 bad apple and go throw out every apple in a Kroger. You understand what I say? You have to separate the thing, but you don't come out and you don't separate or differentiate the thing. You don't just use one thing and just plaster everybody. You understand? So now the thing, the backlash pan you now. You understand? Just come out and tell the people them say, well, you say 1 and 2 thing wrong. But you still don't come out now and you say you didn't speaking about anybody. And you know, whosoever the cap fit, make them wear it or you fling your stone in a hog pen and who if it they are a part of it. That is not the thing, brother. Understand? And this is one of the things that I don't like Miss Kitty. And the reason why I don't like Miss Kitty is because I see the poor people of Jamaica when Digicel used to have them road show all over Jamaica. And the dirty, underprivileged, low life, you understand, deplorable people them who used to come out and support Miss Kitty on the road show there. Right? The same people them who used to go support Miss Kitty on the Magnum, King and Queen, the ghetto and the garrison and the underprivileged and whatever you want to call them. And them, Miss Kitty's what you call la. That's a brand or significant brand. And when the same dirty foot poor people them did it, when Miss Kitty the bus blank la, send Miss Kitty a road before nationwide know Miss Kitty. Right before Miss Kitty go get her qualification. Right? Before Miss Kitty becomes a liar. And every chance Miss Kitty get over here in this the same poor people them. What did they with her all along? Around the Digicel road show, Magnum, King and Queen. And every chance she get, she diss them. Now the same thing. It look like they happen with Elaine them and Asafa them. You just come now and just paint a thing, the same little old foot, low life, nobody, class them as don't put us in the same basket with them, or you put us, Jamaican people don't respect us by trying to put us in the same cycle with these people. What are you guys talking about? Regular people. Who is regular people? You guys are regular people. You and Elaine is regular people. I am a regular person because I'm not an alien. If I was an alien now, then I wouldn't be a regular person. Brother, you understand? Sometimes we have to understand, but sometimes them say sometimes it's like, you see, success is a hell of a thing. And I know everybody can angle success. That's what I mean. I have never heard an athlete from America come out on an interview and make such statement about the people that support them over the years. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that some of the Jamaican people, they are not unruly and they are not out of order. But it's just a few of them. So whenever you guys decide to go back on another interview, you guys have to differentiate the thing. Right? And make sure when you're saying, you said some or a few. You understand? But you cannot use it and then you go say, we are privileged to have one in Jamaica. No, we are not privileged. We are privileged to live in Jamaica. You understand? Because at the end of the day, remember, like say right now, we they bring a portion of value to Jamaica. Because I don't like build up factory and all of them things are down there and they imply Jamaican. You understand what I say? So we all privileged. We are all privileged. Right? From the Little Rock. Jamaica, land we love. So I just say things, brother. I just life. Sometimes we have to remember where we are come from and we can't go on like we're too high. And feel say we're reaching life now and we can't just diss little people them where we go. And everybody do it. The politician them do it. You see Miss Kitty can do it. Now you see the athlete them do it. You understand? But it's for the people of Jamaica to take a stand and tap get used by people. And the only reason why people use because them feel say them can use certain platform and then company and say anything what them feel like because now go get it because them have as dunce. So all when them say The world are bad about you. You not go get it. You go there laugh and feel say good them I say about you. And just like how the politicians do it, just like how Miss Kitty do it, and now athletes they come and do it. But anyway, my people, don't lose hopes. Don't lose hopes. And as I said again, if you're not subscribed yet, trust and believe me, I know I wait pan. But just go over there to Aromatic Realistic TV and click off the notification. You see, anytime I drop a video, you shall be the first to know. Until then, we'll chat again. Much love. I'm out. I say a word, man.